Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Doge price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the daily chart, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse towards the upside, finishing a wave A or a wave 1. After both case scenario, you would like to have 3 corrective waves as W, X, and a Y. In this case, of course, where we have finished a wave 2 or a wave B. Now, in this case scenario where you are in a wave B, you would like to have a wave C towards the upside. So we are looking for an A B, and a C reaching at a 1-to-1 fib level, of course, for a wave C. In case you are impulsive and you're looking at a 1, a 2 here, and then you're looking for a wave 3 towards the upside. Therefore, of course, you are looking for a 1.618 at 1,700, which is so far right now to call. Of course, at least we're gonna call for a 1-to-1 fib level for an A, B, and a C, where it is very possible to happen in the logarithmic chart. As we can see, as we have, of course, this wave C, it has to be the same amount and price of this wave A. In that case scenario, we might reach, of course, the $32.5 for a Dogecoin in a wave C, which it should be an impulse towards the upside as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 probably. Now, as we can see, this 1, 2, 3 right now did not reach, of course, a very high. So probably several scenarios might unfold in this case where you probably have 1, 2, 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, or possibly that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for just wave 1 here, and then ABC for a wave 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 to hit a 1-to-1 fib level at $32 for Dogecoin. So in that case scenario, we would like to see what's going on inside this wave C, in case this wave C is unfolding as a triple or double 1-2s, or as triple 1-2s, or as a contracting diagonal, even, of course, towards the upside. So let's move to the 1 or 4 hour chart, let's say here, because it shows us a much more information a little bit, where we can see on the 4 hour chart in your wave C here, you already have a 1, a 2 actually here, and then you have already in this wave several 1-2s actually, where we see 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then the last one in the green, where we see 3, 4, and a 5, finishing this green scenario. And then, of course, with this green scenario, it has finished a wave 3 in the yellow, and then 4, 5, where we can see, of course, here the high has been hit at several times. So we got 1, 2, and 3. So this high here is even higher than this one, as you can see. So we have yet triple highs here, finishing, of course, several wave 4, 5, which are in green and in the yellow. Now, the left scenarios are the orange and the white scenario, where in the orange you have a 1, 2, 3 already here finished. Probably you would like to see a wave 4 and 5 continuation towards the upside. However, what is happening right now here is a little bit weird, because we are looking somehow to an impulse characteristic. The first reason is that this is a 1, 2, 3. Your wave 3 is very extended already, looking very good as an impulse. Plus, the volume is very high on your wave 3, indication, of course, of a wave 3 towards the downside here. The second reason, or the third reason actually, it is the wave 4 here as unfolding as a triangle A, B, C, D, E, and your wave E toward the upside means you are looking for a wave 5 towards the downside after finishing this triangle as a wave 4, which is the most possibility to be a wave 4 as a triangle, because the triangles loves to be to unfold in a wave 4. Right. So basically, if that is happening, we are looking then to an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that, of course, opens the scenario for a bigger correction here, where we might, of course, see something much more unfolding towards the downside, or as a bigger correction, maybe as A, B, and a C. Now, the invalidation of the bullish scenario, of course, since we are in the orange scenario now, the invalidation is very far, even at 0.13 cent, of course, for a Dogecoin. If that will makes an A, a B, and a C kind of, or probably is gonna be a regular, yeah. But if we have an impulse, it's gonna be a zigzag definitely. So yeah, we're gonna dive even deeper probably with a Dogecoin. As we can see, well, the first confirmation is to finish a wave 5 first. If we finish this wave 5 and we have a clear impulse, then yes, we have to consider a zigzag here, or possibly maybe finished bull run here, or finished a B, and a C without finishing all the impulses here. That means it has turned into a corrective, and then of course we will see somehow a deeper zigzag towards the downside, and then bringing us toward the upside. But this remind us in the daily, where I said we might be in a 1 2 1 2 1 2, or in a 1 2 3 4 5 as a contracting diagonal, then a wave 2, and then 3 4 5 continuation towards the upside. And that's why this might maybe turn into 3 waves towards the upside, then a very deep correction towards the downside, and then continuation for a wave 5 in a contracting diagonal, or in a triple 1 2s. We're gonna see how this is gonna unfold. So basically, we are looking to recap. Of course, now we are looking as a higher possibility. We are looking towards the downside, because definitely this is a characteristic of an impulse forming here has a 1, a 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 4 is a triangle. Perfect. And then, of course, moving for a wave 5. Until that time, this is going to be considered as a wave A, then, or a wave 1. 1 means an impulse toward the downside, which going to bring us more lower. In case it is a wave A, you're looking as well for a correction, 3 waves toward the upside, and then a massive wave C toward the downside as well, to give us probably in a bigger view in the daily here a scenario of 1 2 3 4 5, or a 1 2 1 2, and then 3 4 5 towards the upside. So if we would like as well to see on the KGT, we can of course here in this triangle, which it should be a wave F5 on the 15-minute chart, we can see there is some divergence for the bullish, but it did not really brought the price really high. It was not really high until we get, of course, a new bearish signal. And as you can see, this bearish signal is convergence with the tops here with the price action, giving us, of course, a pressure towards the downside. If we get here also the CVDs, okay, we start to see some formation of 3 candles in the green. So yeah, be careful also with it. So we might still have some pressure towards the upside. Let me check. Yes, this is a 2. Yeah, so there are some sellers, and of course, when you see 3 bars like this, especially if they are yeah, in the red candles as well, so we might start to see something unfolding towards the upside. So be careful with it as well. We're gonna see how this is gonna unfold, but let me check as well the signal. We have a buy signal or a sell signal. Actually, we have a buy here in the back. Let me go to the 1-hour chart as well. The last signal was sell on the 1-hour chart. Okay, was sell. That's because of a correction. And here is a buy. Okay, here is a buy. So yeah, we have a buy signal, and the sell signal is somewhere here from the top. Okay, no. So the sell still calculating. Okay, so yeah, we don't have a buy signal, so yeah, it's not really even okay. We got those green candles, as you can see, and we saw some move towards the upside. Now, if we get a move towards the upside, this something else might be unfolding so far, but I mean the bearish signals are already there. So I think the possibility is still higher for lower prices, even that we see some buyers entering. But let me check if we, in case we move towards the upside, what's gonna happen? A, B, C, D, E. Oh, okay. Yeah. Possibly that the wave E did not finish yet, guys. So be careful. Yeah. So A, B, C, D, E, because this looks like one leg. Sorry, I didn't saw this on the 1-hour chart. So yeah, we might see here an A, B, C as a wave E here. Yeah. Still having one more high. And that's why we see this on KGT like 3 bars. So I think that, yeah, more buyers will enter again and then pushing a little bit higher to finish the wave E and then moving down towards the downside. That was it for a Dogecoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.